Have you ever wondered how two pieces of metal can be fused together to create a structure that can withstand enormous pressure? That's the magic of welding, a process that plays an integral role in industries worldwide. From the cars we drive to the buildings we live in, welding is everywhere. Today, we're going to demystify this critical process, breaking it down in a way that's easy to understand, no matter your background or experience. Prepare to ignite your curiosity as we dive into the fascinating process of welding. Welding at its core is quite a simple process, yet it requires precision and expertise. The artistry of welding lies in the details, and it all starts with clean metal surfaces. Picture a painter setting up a clean canvas, ready to create a masterpiece. This is the same for a welder. A clean surface is a happy surface. It allows for a smoother and stronger weld, free from any potential weak points caused by dirt or rust. Now, just like an artist selecting the right brush for their masterpiece, a welder must also choose the right type of welding for the task at hand. There are various types, each with its own strengths and applications. It might be gas metal arc welding, often used for its speed and adaptability, or perhaps shielded metal arc welding, renowned for its versatility and simplicity. The choice of welding type is a critical decision that can make or break your weld. Once the stage is set and the tools are chosen, the real magic begins. The welder applies intense heat to the metal pieces, causing them to melt and fuse together. This step, often called the weld pool, is where the artistry really shines. It's like a dance, a delicate balancing act between heat, speed, and movement. Too hot or too fast, and the metal may warp or burn. But with the right touch, the metals blend into one, creating a bond that's stronger than the sum of its parts. But the art of welding doesn't end there. Once the metals have fused, they need time to cool and solidify. This final step is just as important as the rest. It's the quiet after the storm, the moment where the newly formed joint takes its final shape. It's a time of patience and anticipation, a reminder that even in the world of welding, good things come to those who wait. So, that's the basic process of welding. But remember, mastering these steps requires practice and patience. Just as an artist hones their craft over time, so too does a welder. Each weld is a lesson, each project a step closer to mastery. So, grab your helmet, fire up your torch, and let's create something amazing together. A welding isn't a one-size-fits-all process. There are different types of welding techniques used depending on the task at hand. Let's start with one of the most common techniques, MIG, or metal inert gas welding. This technique uses a continuously feeding wire that also acts as an electrode. It's user-friendly and versatile, making it a favorite for beginners and professionals alike. MIG welding shines in its speed and efficiency, making it perfect for projects that require a quick turnaround. Next up is TIG, or tungsten inert gas welding. Unlike MIG, TIG welding uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode. This technique requires a more skilled hand, but the payoff is worth it. With TIG welding, you can achieve incredibly precise and clean welds, making it the go-to method for high-quality projects and intricate designs. Lastly, we have stick welding, also known as shielded metal arc welding. This technique is a bit of an old-school favorite. It uses a consumable electrode coated in flux to lay the weld. Stick welding is rugged and robust, making it ideal for outdoor projects or in environments where other methods might not be feasible. Each of these techniques brings something unique to the table, from the speed of MIG welding, the precision of TIG welding, to the durability of stick welding. Understanding these different techniques can help you choose the right method for your welding project. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned about welding. We dove into the captivating world of welding, unmasking its intriguing aspects. We saw how this process isn't just about fusing metals together, but rather an intricate dance of heat and metal, creating something powerful and enduring. We then explored the art of welding, revealing how it is a delicate balance of skill and knowledge, a craft honed over time. It's not merely about connecting pieces, but about understanding how different metals behave under the torch's heat and how to manipulate them to achieve the desired result. Next, we delved into the various types of welding techniques, from the precise and controlled TIG welding to the versatile and popular MIG welding and the rugged stick welding. Each technique has its unique characteristics and applications. Remember, welding is more than just joining two pieces of metal. It's an art that requires skill, precision, and understanding. So why not give it a try?